Now's the time to buy, now's the time to save.
Take a ride in the 2020 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, perimeter alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Are you ready for